Hello my friends, nice to see you all here. Today we will talk about threads. I prepared for you a really amazing color for today, dark blue thread. I will just listen if everything works good now. Yes, I hear everything. So, I will read comments. I am very happy to see Yolanta. Hello, Yolanta. I see a comment. Hi to all. Hello. Also, Barbara. Hi together. Thanks for invitation, Julia. I finished cooking and I am ready to show. Today will be small show, but I prepared for you interesting information. Also, I want to tell that tomorrow we will have second lesson about joining tablecloths. This live lessons that we have about tablecloths, and tomorrow we will have this lesson. I see Monica joined also. Hello, Monica. And Linda. Hello, Linda. Nice to see you. So let's talk about these threads. For today I prepared for you such kit. It's a very beautiful dark blue thread, Italian viscose, and we have here 450 grams. Sorry. 9 balls, each ball has 50 grams. And now I will show you this information that I prepared. So in our store we have a lot of colors of Italian viscose. This is the most beautiful thread. It's very soft and silky and really high quality yarn. Each ball, you can order balls or you can order big cone. It's your choice. But for today I prepared such small balls. Each ball has 50 grams and 700 meters. And such kit we have for today. Color number is 2532, and we have here 9 balls, and it looks everything like this. A really fantastic color, very intensive, and one of my friends are now making from such color a beautiful dress, cocktail dress. Looks really great. Lace looks gorgeous from such dark blue thread. It is will order yarn next week from Odessa. I got my magazine, Julia. Thank you for this comment. I am very happy that you received this magazine, first magazine from our school. Thank you so much for this comment. And really you can order threads during this month, because we have discounts for everything. If you order 600 grams, 800 grams, I will tell you now, so you will have discounts. Also you can use really the special offers with 50% discount and free shipping if you want. So if you like this color that you see. Such kit we have. For this threads, I like to join 3 threads together and work with crochet hook 1.75 millimeters. You can also use, for example, you, like me, like to use 2 threads also to join elements. For this, you can take smaller hook, 1.25 millimeters, for example, and work with 2 threads, join it together. And now a few words about discounts in our JTHOUSE yarn store. So minimum order is 300 grams. If you will order such balls, it will be 6 balls. And next we have discounts from 600 grams. You will start to save 15%. So you save from $9 if you order 600 grams and more. If you order 800 grams, you will save from $16 because you will have 20% discount. And if you order 1000 grams and more, you will have 30% discount and you save from $30, like this. And you can order, just small information, you can order any colors you like, also any threads in our store, and this all special offers, it will be, they all will be available for you, and you always will have discount, 15, 20 or 30% discount. And now I want to show you how you can order these threads. I will show you my screen and you will see our store. Our store looks like this, JTHOUSE Yarn Store. If you are watching this video on YouTube channel, you will see link below this video. Next you can press all yarn, next choose Italian viscose. And today we will find this beautiful dark blue thread in our store. So let me find it, yes, we have it. So number 2532. One ball costs $5, like I told you, and we can add 1 ball to cart. Next you can weave your cart, press weave cart, and next you can change your order. For example, I will order 12 balls. This will be 600 grams, and for this you will have discount. you will have 15% discount. When you will finish to choose all colors that you need, press checkout, and after write all necessary information step by step. We have 6 steps here, and that's all. I will receive your order, and next you will get answer from me with all details, also with your discount and link for payment. So everything is very easy here. You can find beautiful colors for your next projects and just make order. It will be nice. Next, I want to show you also how to work with this thread. I will show you my hands, and just you will see how to work with such yarn. So you need to take 3 balls. For example, if you like to make element from 3 threads, and I will use crochet hook in size 1.75 millimeters. And I will show you how to hold the thread. This is the most important thing when you work with viscose, because a lot of people are afraid to work with it. They think it's too slippery, and it's really hard to catch the thread. It's really hard to make tight stitches, but it's not true. If you will make a really nice tension of thread, and you will have chance to just to work with it very fast, and really you will make accurate stitches. So I just made a few chain loops, and now join to the ring by slip stitch, and take this tail to the right side. So I catch this thread by these 2 fingers and hold it very strong. In this way I can make tension of this thread really strong. And when you have chance to catch the yarn, this is the most important. You can just wrap the yarn around few fingers if you like. I don't know, you can use your variant. Just hold the yarn very strong. Next I just place this thread like this, between these 2 fingers too, and I hold the yarn. Next I catch by these 2 fingers my work, and after crochet hook goes below this thread with good tension, and only in this way I can work when I catch the yarn. After you can make stitches and they will look not loose. Everything will be okay. So this is the most important thing when you work with viscose. It's very tender and a really beautiful thread. You will receive incredible lace from such yarns, especially after you finish to make element and you just will iron it by using steam iron. You will see fantastic result. You will see the right size of your motif or lace. I am sure you will just enjoy such lace. So you can see how it works. You can see the result that we have here. So you can easily work with such thread. And me, I can make elements by using 3 threads, and next I can join elements by using only 2 threads and smaller hook. You will receive a really interesting result and just amazing lace if you will use such technique. It's also really nice. I see comment from Barbara. If it's too slippery, I turn 3 times around the 2-second finger, no problems, and sold this yarn more sold than the cones of yes, 100 grams. Thank you, Barbara. Really nice to hear from you this advice and also your opinion about this yarn. Thank you so much. You have a lot of these threads, different colors, and your opinion is really very important. Thank you so much for this. So such a beautiful color we have today. It's like a dark blue thread, one of, yes, amazing threads, because especially from such color we can create really beautiful blouses, tops or skirts. Will be a fantastic result. Especially I like to wear such clothes from such threads in summer when it's very hot weather. Is the best I don't know, clothes for such weather. Thank you so much for watching this video. And now about special offer. Yes, for today we have one special offer. We have different threads in our store. All these threads I tested in practice for my crochet dresses and other crochet projects. Especially I like purple threads. They are very beautiful, and different colors we have. So such amazing threads you can find in our store. And for today we have special offer. Just I think it's fantastic offer because we have 50% discount. We have free shipping worldwide, so you don't need to pay for shipping. You save $23 and you will get 450 grams of threads, high quality threads, and in incredible color. A link for this special offer you will find on my Facebook page. If you are watching YouTube channel, you will find link below this video. So like this information I prepared for you today. Also I have just yesterday a few offers about turquoise thread, and this thread is special also because it's not so shiny like any threads else from Italian viscose. It's not so shiny, but it's also soft, and it's so thickness of this thread is the same. I just offer it 800 grams, like this all full cone. Yes, big cone, 800 grams, with 50% discount and free shipping, and in this case you can save $40. And also this, it's one of my new colors that I received just I think 1 week ago, and we have only one cone of each color of this new color. This cone, it has 800 grams, and also I can give you with this cone with 50% discount and free shipping. You will save $40 and you will get just enough thread to make even evening dress, or if you want you will make skirt and blouse, because it's really a lot of threads, 800 grams. So like these offers you can find on my Facebook page, and you can order such high quality threads. Don't forget to visit JTHOUSE yarn store and make some orders, because we have discounts, a lot of special offers during this month. Thank you so much for listening, and see you tomorrow. We will have lesson about making tablecloths, live lesson number 2. Thank you so much and have a nice evening or day, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.